Alright, we are here. I put a poll on my Discord and YouTube. There were 2 winners. VR Chat, we're gonna continue the Bendy story, and Animal Company, which my dad said I need to play because it gives me exercise. My hands. Also, a lot of you are not subscribed. So subscribe if you want to see more animation, gaming, VR, whatever you like. I'm listening to the Minecraft movie. Anyways, we're gonna show you how to get to 0 gravity. God, it's laggy. Alright, let's go to the stash. For this, you don't need a specific password. A pickaxe. I like this animation when I play this. And this is a. Can I? Okay. Now, if you have MREs, I recommend them because the nun hates light. So bring that. We also want backpack. Biggest one you can get. Now, usually people go the boring way and head straight to sewers, which we're not doing that. We're using the teleporter as soon as it turns to sewers. So that's Haunted Mansion. That's the office. That's the mine. Strapped up. Alright, Alright, shoot. Alright, you're gonna want to go here. The grappler is very easy. Like a lot of the enemies just do it. Wait for these guys down. Don't want to accidentally eat my MRE. Company rations are expensive nowadays. Like $1.99 a piece. So you want to climb up this like slanted structure. So there's a few things you want to avoid. I went the long way. So, if you see a monkey, if you're in a private server and you see a monkey, that's a mimic. We do not like them. They try to trick you, and that's not fun. Don't aggravate them. Just don't move fast. The bombs, they're pretty harmless if you're on the ceiling. And the reason you don't want to light is because the nun, the religious nun, hates the light. And also there's these eyeball things. Do not touch their tentacles or else they'll get mad. Right here is where we want to eat our MRE. So that we could see. And get a jump boost while we're at it. Just want to straight raw dog it until you fall down here. If you want to hang out with me and play, grapple. If you want to hang out with me and play Animal Company, the code will be Sonic City ... No spaces. Ooh! You see that tentacle? Do not touch. Now, we're not gonna really mine here. I'm just showing you the way, how to get in, how to get out. Also, remember, every update, they change. You might be wondering, what's this green stuff? It's ore. And this is a special ore because it can fly. We're not gonna collect any right now. I'm just showing you the way again. Try to don't touch the rotten flesh. Oh, we gotta go here. But it changes every update, so this video might be outdated. If you're wondering why I'm listening to the Minecraft OST, at the time of recording, the movie comes out in like what, 3 days? Ooh, I thought that was a tentacle. That's a tentacle? I almost said something. Alright, here. There's ogres and anglerfish. What you want to do, you want to get as high up as you can with your grappler. And just edge your way forward on these pillars. Ooh, there's an angler. Press this button! And you're back home. And that's how you get through sewers.